In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective solutions step by step so you can get your PS4 controller working again. Step 1. Charge the controller. The first thing you should check is the battery. A completely drained PS4 controller may not show any lights or response at all. Connect the controller directly to the PS4 using a working micro USB cable and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Avoid using wall chargers at first because connecting directly to the console helps with both charging and syncing. If the controller starts showing an orange or blue light, the battery was likely fully drained. Step 2. Change the USB cable. A damaged or low-quality USB cable is one of the most common reasons why a PS4 controller will not turn on. Many micro USB cables only support charging and cannot transfer data properly. Try another known working cable, preferably the original Sony cable or a high-quality data cable. Also test a different USB port on the PS4 because a faulty port can stop the controller from charging correctly. Step 3. Reset the controller. If the controller still refuses to power on, perform a reset. Turn off the PS4 completely and flip the controller over. Near the L2 button, you'll see a tiny reset hole. Use a paperclip or sim tool to press and hold the reset button inside for about 5 seconds. After resetting, reconnect the controller to the console using a USB cable and press the PS button. This can fix software glitches and syncing problems. Step 4. Power cycle the PS4. Sometimes the console itself causes the issue. Turn off the PS4 completely and unplug the power cable from the wall for about 1 to 2 minutes. This clears temporary system bugs that may prevent the controller from connecting or turning on. Plug the console back in, reconnect the controller with a USB cable, and try again. Step 5. Clean the charging port. Dust and debris inside the controller's charging port can block the connection and stop charging completely. Inspect the micro USB port carefully under good lighting. If you notice lint or dirt, gently clean it using compressed air, a soft brush, or a wooden toothpick. After cleaning, reconnect the cable and check if the charging light appears. Step 6. Test another charger. If the controller still won't respond, try charging it using another power source such as a PC, laptop, or phone charger. This helps determine whether the issue is with the controller or the PS4 USB ports. If the controller begins charging on another device, the console's USB port may be faulty. Step 7. Try Safe Mode. Connection. Safe Mode can sometimes restore controller communication problems. Turn the PS4 completely off first. Then, press and hold the console's power button until you hear the second beep. Connect the controller using a USB cable and press the PS button. If the controller works in safe mode, the issue may be related to the console software or settings. Step 8. Check for battery failure. Older PS4 controllers often develop battery problems after years of use. If the controller only works while plugged in or refuses to power on completely, the battery may no longer hold a charge. Replacing the internal battery is usually inexpensive and can bring the controller back to life. Step 9. Look for physical damage. Drops, liquid spills, or a loose charging port can stop the controller from turning on. Check for cracks, bent ports, or signs of water damage. If the controller was dropped recently, internal components may have become disconnected or damaged. In that case, the controller may need professional repair or replacement.